Hi, my name is Maria, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Dentitox Pro before you actually buy this product. I also have two really important alerts regarding your health, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you today in this video, okay? So the first thing is be careful with the website you're gonna buy Dentitox Pro from, because today this product is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So be careful with scams so that you don't buy a product that is not original and that can actually harm your health. Also, be careful with people that are saying they use the product, promising you great results here on YouTube and other places, because you can get scammed and actually you can get frustrated with your results. So what is Dentitox Pro after all, and does it actually help you with the health of your teeth? So yes, today thousands of people are using this product, this natural product, and are having great results. So people that have gum issues, that have inflammation in their gums, that have bad breath and other problems with the health of the teeth are having great results, because Dentitox Pro today is formulated with many natural extracts and herbs that will actually help contain inflammation and will also help you with your overall health of your mouth, of your teeth, of your gums, and of your breath consequently, okay? So if many people are having results, you can actually have results as well. But I also have an alert here, because each body reacts in a different and unique way. So it may be that for you, it doesn't work as well as for another person. So each organism reacts differently. Each organism absorbs vitamins, nutrients, and the other things that are inside of this product in a different way. So you have to be patient as well with your treatment, okay? And if you want to actually have results, you have to take Dentitox Pro every single day, okay? It doesn't work if you use it today, if you don't use it tomorrow, and if you don't take your treatment seriously. And how should you use Dentitox Pro? So again, for it to work, you have to take it every single day, preferably 30 minutes before an important meal. It may be your breakfast, it may be lunch, and it comes in a form of oral drops. So you have to take 6 drops every single day, again, 30 minutes before you actually have and take your meal. And that's again very important for it to have results, because if you don't take your treatment seriously, probably you won't see results and you'll get frustrated. Another really important thing you need to know before you actually buy Dentitox Pro is that you have a 60-day money back guarantee, okay? So if you actually use this product, you test it and you don't see improvements, if you don't see that your gums are getting better, if you don't see that your inflammations are getting better, if your breath is not getting better, then you can have your money back with no problems. So remember this when you buy this product. You actually have a 60-day money back guarantee so that you can test this product and see if it actually works with your organism. Because as I just said, it may be that it doesn't work a lot for you as it does for another person. It will depend on your organism as well, okay? That's very important for you to know. And people that are having better results are people that are doing a longer treatment. So you can't expect to see a miracle in the first month of using this product. So people are actually seeing better results from 3 months to 6 months after using the product. But yes, you can see a lot of improvement on the first, second, and third month after using Dentitox Pro. So I recorded this video to help you. So if you're actually thinking on buying this product, make sure you buy it from the official website. Also, make sure you take the treatment seriously. Make sure that you're realistic about your treatment, and remember that you have a 60-day money back guarantee if the product doesn't work for you for any reason. So I really hope I helped you. If you have any doubts, please let your comment down below.